Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert a new slide to your PowerPoint presentation, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your slides. Then you should go to this left side of the screen or at the top and tap on this insert button, which is the third option. And then here you can find this new slide button. If you tap on it, you can add the new slide, a blank page basically, but you can also select from layouts. If you tap on this arrow pointing down next to the slide button, here you can find the themes such as title slide, title and content slide, section, header, comparison, and so on. So just simply tap on the relevant one, and as you can see, it will appear like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.